A very nicely found resistance there, but no candle reversal. So I'm still watching it. I would still like to see a test. Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. It's Friday, 13 December 2024, and today I'll be trading long on the euro, the US and the pound, short on the Aussie, the CAD and the New Zealand dollar. Looking at the dollar index now breaking through this rising trend line, proving this falling wedge to be more powerful than the breakdown on the rising trend line. Close above. I would love to see another close above tonight on a weekly close. That would just completely negate this rising trend line. So let's see what happens. Monday morning we should know. And you can see here definitely a gap down strong. So that's weird. Usually when you see the gap down, it's a sign of doubt. Now it could still be a sign of doubt because we had the gap down there on the open, gap down there on the open, another gap down there on the open. So we will see. The one close above is not enough for me. Yes, very good indication that we're negating this line, but a long black candle from here would change the whole picture today. So I guess Monday morning, that's the time we will know exactly what to do and what to think about the US dollar. Gold taking the hammering for the strong dollar. Look at my indicator there. Dollar was pushing down to this area here. Now, all the sparkle, absolutely top of the pile and back in line according to my 4-hour charts. So gold paying the price, the retracement, getting a little bit iffish at this stage because I don't like this big black one. I want it to come down in a much more slower fashion for me to look at support here. But let's see, definitely nothing for today here I'll do. We had the big pattern, we did see the break, the retest, that'll be the coup de grace. That we will know next week. If we can dribble down here, I don't want to see long black candles. I want to see small black candles coming down here and then a strong reversal. So for now, I'm holding to my view, not doing anything on gold. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. Bitcoin, the rest of the market stalling slightly yesterday. Still long lower shadows on the weekly charts. We will see on Monday what the weekly charts did. A lot of support coming in on some of the older coins like Chainlink and Ava and so forth. So quite nice moves coming in there. Holding well while the altcoins are selling off a little bit. Well, obviously Bitcoin had a strong move, taking a little bit of profit. So it's losing its sparkle. I'm not saying Bitcoin is losing its sparkle over the long term. It's one of the best things to hold. It's like holding gold and silver all in one. But it's losing its sparkle on the short term side. I can see it doesn't get that big runs. It feels like the consolidation phase is beginning. And I still think we should see 120, 150. That's the 110, that's the 120 and the 150 early next year, by no later than, let's say, March. But at this stage, we're seeing a little bit of a consolidation. Well, usually after a consolidation, we get spectacular moves. So consolidations is frustrating, yes, for sure. But they're not the worst thing that can happen to a longer term portfolio. So holding on tight, not doing anything here. And then the euro pound, pretty much the same as yesterday. I gave you this level. I said, let's look for the retracement. A very nicely found resistance there, but no candle reversal. So I'm still watching it. I would still like to see a test. If you look at the euro pound there, they're squeezing closer to each other. That worries me slightly. But I'll keep an eye there. But I'm going to watch this level. It's a very strong level. If I can get another test with a nice strong candle reversal, I most likely will consider a short on the euro pound. But if that is the scenario, I'll rather step away. Then DAX, we got this consolidation on my mentoring group. We went long there, got some targets, but I've kept open like a Santa Claus trade from there. And that stop loss is, I can't remember now exactly what it is, but it's here in mid-air. If I see a new high there, if it breaks to a solid new high later today, I'll pull the stop loss there on the Santa Claus run. That will lock in 900 points, but at this stage, I'm locking in 400. So we'll see. But a retest here would be nice for the stock markets. The only problematic scenario is the euro that is strengthening a little bit. So I need the euro to drop a little bit to be more bullish on the short term here. And that's what I'm going to look for. But I leave this on my charts because I would like to see a retest. And once I see a retest and a nice strong counter reversal, I'm going to look at the euro. If it can move into the gray area and lower, then I'll definitely be interested in taking another long position on the DAX. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please follow the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risks. Don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.